Today, I'll show you how to stop people from seeing that you viewed their TikTok profile. Sometimes you may want to view someone's TikTok profile without them realizing. Whether you're just curious, doing research, or simply valuing your privacy. By default, TikTok's Profile View History feature lets others see when you viewed their profile. But there's a simple way to turn this off. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile page. In the top right, you might see a footprints icon. Tap on it. This will take you to the Profile Views section, where you can see who's visited your profile. From here, tap the gear icon in the top right. You'll see a setting called Profile View History. Simply switch this off. Once it's off, two things happen. You can view other people's profiles without them knowing. You won't be able to see who views your profile anymore. It's a trade-off, but if privacy is more important to you, it's worth it. If you only need to check a profile once, you can temporarily turn off Profile View History before visiting. After you've looked, you can turn it back on if you want to start seeing your own profile visitors again. And don't forget, this feature is only available if you're 16 or older and have fewer than 5,000 followers. And that's it. Quick and simple. Now you know how to browse TikTok profiles without leaving a trace. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more TikTok and tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.